Hi, I'm Joe Palonzo from the Worldwide Kempo Karate Association in conjunction with Expert Village. This technique is called raking mace, and it's defense against a two-hand lapel grab where you're being pulled forward. So now what's taking place, as soon as he's grabbing here, he's taken his two major weapons and occupied them doing nothing except hurting my feelings. So what I want to do, because he might headbutt me, is to prefix my first move by catching his eye to divert his head and trapping the two arms. As he pulls me forward, I fire a middle finger strike to the solar plexus, and if you're too close, you can always hit to the groin. Coming around and going across the bridge of the nose, down the top of the arms to bring him in, chop to the throat. I'm going to push his arms down now, and at this time, we really close up and do a sandwiching movement. And the sandwiching movement actually doubles the force of either of these two weapons. So I'm using an elbow on the hinge of the jaw and the heel palm on this hinge of the jaw and trying to hit simultaneously. Okay, so let's recap that again. On the first move, three things are taking place. As I'm being pulled forward, I'm slicing the eye, I'm checking his leg down here, and striking. That may be sufficient to do the job. If not, I will continue by hitting the temple, chopping the throat, checking as I move in, sandwich, and then, of course, you can always add more moves if needed. This is called raking mace.